Hello beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to say a big thanks to my old and my new subscribers. You guys are always welcome to my channel. In this video guys, I will be showing you how I make this body that you are watching now. Okay, in Italian language they call it budino. With just two ingredients you are ready to go with this. Okay guys, let's go without wasting much time. I want to say big thanks to my old and my new subscribers. You guys are always welcome to my channel. Thank you all very much. Without you all, there would be no me. Thank you all for your support. Keep watching and share. here it is. This is how it looks like, guys. This is how it looked like. As you can see in the video, it was on the gas. I keep stirring for like 30 minutes. Then I have to put it on this small plate to allow it, and I cover it up with the kitchen towel. Okay, here the small sachet you're seeing there is the cream. Okay guys, if you like it more, you can put it on top it. Okay, if you don't like it very sweet, you can still eat it like that without the cream inside. Okay guys, here is the finish. This is it. All you need to do is to put it in the fridge. You can stay 2-3 days to consume it. That's why I said you have to do it the way you can consume. So as you can see there, it was just one sachet and ml of milk. So, and I was able to do this 4 small pieces. Okay, you put it in the fridge, you allow it to cool. When you want to eat it, you put that cream on top it, and it's ready to be eaten. Okay guys, here's look. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share this video, like, comment. Let me know what you think about this video in the question. And here I'm trying to put the milk, the cream on top it. Okay, and it's very sweet. It was very delicious. Again, it's the sweetest I've ever tasted. Thank you all for watching my video. God bless you.